Hey Jaden, this is Mrs. White, and I'm just going to go over this section for you. Section 13.4, function rules. Now kind of think of it like a machine. You have an input, x equals 5, and then you do something with it, and then you have an output. Okay, so x equals 5, and then you put in like 5 plus 4, and then then it equals 9. Okay, so this will become more simpler the more that you do. So like number 1, it says we say f of x equals x plus 4. Okay, what I like to do is make a little table. So I'm going to make a little table. I'm going to have x, can I see what I'm doing here? X plus 4, and then the y value. Okay, so this is for like all x and y values. All right, so the x value on A is 0. Okay, now I'm going to put 0 plus 4, and 0 plus 4 is 4, and that's the y value. Now this is 3, so that is not going to work for that one. B, I'm going to try B now. I put -1 in for x, -1, and then I try -1 plus 4. This is the function. This is like the machine. And then I get a 3, -1, 2. Nope, the y needs to be 3, and it's 2, so this does not work. I'm going to try C. This is the x value, -5. -5. Put -5 in for x, -5 plus 4, and that's going to be -1. So x, this is -5, y is -1. -5, 1. Yes, this one works. Okay, now it's up to you if you want to set up a table like this. I like it because it shows me exactly what I need to do to get the x value. They give you the x value, and then you figure out the y value and if it works here. So that's what you do for the first section. Let's see what we have here. For number 2, you have f of x equal 5x. So 2 is f of x equals 5x. Okay, I'm going to make my table. X, 5x, and then y. Okay, now the first value, they say -3 and 15 for 2a. So I'm going to try -3. -3. I'm going to do 5 times -3 is -15. Now they have +15. So A does not work for number 2. Okay, let's see for B. They have 2, 10. Let's put 2 in for x. 2 in for x. So it's 5 times 2, which is 10. So the order pair would be 2, 10. Is that what they have? Yes, it is. So it would be B for 2. So you just go ahead and do the same thing for the first part of the assignment. Okay? The second part of the assignment, it says find, I just have my teacher's manual, so I'm just going to do it here. Find the ordered pairs for each function rule if the x values, and it gives you the x values. Okay, so I will show you how to do 15 because that's not part of your assignment. Okay, 15 is y equals 3x. Y equals 3x. They give us the function, okay, x, and then 3x, and that's how you get y, okay? And they give you the x values, which are 5, -4, and 1. So I write that in there, 5, -4, and 1. All right, now I'm going to put 5 in for x, so 3 times 5 is 15. So my ordered pair is going to be 5, 15. My x and y value. I put negative 4 in for x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Okay, so it's negative 4, my x value and my y value. Then I put number 1 in for x. 3 times 1 is 3. My x value and my y value. So my 3 ordered pairs are the answer. So every problem is going to have 3 ordered pairs for that second section. Okay, now the next section, I'm going to do number 23 for you. Okay, it says find f of x if f of x equals x minus 3, find each of the following values. Okay, 23 says find f of 0. Okay, if f of x equals x minus 3. Okay, well here what I'm going to do is whatever number is here, I'm going to put in for x. So then I do 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. And that's my answer for 23. 24, f of negative 2. Put negative 2 in for x, and what do you get? Negative 2 minus 3 equals negative 5. Okay, so that's how you do that section. The last section, like I'll do 31, it's the same thing, but f of x equals negative 2x plus 4. So if I have f of 1, I put 1 in for x. So that's going to equal negative 2 times 1 plus 4. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Okay, so that's going to be the answer is 2. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Please let me know if you need any other questions answered.